One of the most common questions we get is, what type of negative items can you actually remove from my credit report? It's a great question because not everything belongs on your credit report. And yes, every negative item can be removed legally from your credit profile. Let's break it down. We help remove unwanted, inaccurate, outdated, unverifiable, or unfair negative items from your credit report. And this includes a wide range of things. Here are just a few of the most common. Late payments. If a creditor can't verify when or how late payment occurred, or if it's being reported incorrectly, we can dispute it and get it removed from your credit report. Collections. Whether the debt was paid, settled, or even sold to a third-party agency, we challenge all collection agencies, especially if they're error reportings. Charge-offs. These can hurt your credit score for up to 7 years, but if information is inaccurate or improperly verified, we'll fight to have it removed legally from your credit report. Bankruptcies, repossessions, and foreclosures. These are the most serious, especially because they can stay on your credit report for up to 10 years. However, we've had great success getting these removed from our client's credit report because we know how to dispute them, especially if they're reporting discrepancies or missing documentation. Hard inquiries. If someone pulls your credit without your permission, we can legally get them disputed and removed as being unauthorized inquiries and get them obviously taken off your credit report. As well as if you did apply and you were not approved, we can also get those removed from your credit profile. Identity errors and duplicate accounts. If your name, address, or accounts are mixed with someone else's, we'll make sure that it's corrected fast. Now here's the key. We don't just go after anything. We go after items that violate your rights under laws such as the Fair Credit Reporting Act and the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. That makes our process powerful and legal. So if your credit report is loaded with negative items, don't panic and definitely don't ignore them. There's a legal process for challenging them, and we know how to get them removed from your credit report. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at credithealing@gmail.com. And if you're ready to get started, go to www.credithealing.org. Just because something is on your credit report does not mean it has to stay. Let's heal it together. Peace.
In 30 days.
100 points within.
This is what I got for instant improvement.
Here and give a testimonial about credit.